Hi, welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Nuvia, and today we're going to be making a paper chain dragon. This craft is intended for ages 4 and up, and for this project, you're going to need the following: construction paper, white paper, black marker, glue, scissors, and 2 sticks. So let's get started with the body of our dragon by making a paper chain. We're using 3 colors, and we're gonna do strips of each color like this. I'm gonna put them all together and we're gonna start cutting. I'm gonna do 3 strips of each color to make 9 links. And they're gonna look like this. So once you have these, you're ready to start making your paper chain. You're gonna use your glue, and you're gonna grab 1 paper and glue 1 end of your strip. Then you're gonna fold it over on itself and glue both ends together. Hold it down for a second, and now you have your first link. Then you're gonna go with another color. You're gonna repeat this step, putting glue on 1 end, and before you close your link, you're gonna loop it around the other one like this, and then close that one. And now you've created a chain. So we're gonna repeat that with all of our strips, and it's gonna come out looking like this. You can make it longer or shorter, however long you want. This is 9 strips of colors. So once we're done with that, we're gonna start on the head of our dragon, and we're gonna get another piece of construction paper. I'm using green, and we're gonna draw a big circle. This one is 5 inches in diameter. And then we're gonna do 2 triangles here. And we're gonna cut those out. And we're gonna get our white sheet of paper, and we're gonna do smaller circles. And if you want, you can use a penny to trace. And we're gonna do 4 small triangles like that. And we're gonna cut those out too. And they should look like this. So now we're gonna start building our dragon's head. We're gonna take our big circle and fold it over itself in half. So you have it like this, like a little taco. Now on one side, we're gonna glue our eyes. Like that. And we're gonna glue some teeth on the underside of that. So you're gonna do, you can put them however you want. I'm gonna do 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. That. And now we're gonna glue the ears on the back of this. Like that. And last thing we're gonna do is grab our black marker and draw an iris on each. Okay. So now we have our head completed. And the last thing we need is our tongue. We're gonna use a red construction paper and cut out two strips. And we're gonna glue them on the inside of the mouth. And we're gonna glue just at the top. Like that. So now we're gonna grab our body and we're gonna connect it to our head. On the back, we're gonna connect one of our links like this, using some glue. And make sure you put plenty of glue, like that. You're gonna put it on the back of your dragon's head. And now you have your dragon completed. So to use your dragon, we're gonna use some chopsticks, or you can do some craft sticks if you have some at home. And we're gonna bring in our tape. And we're gonna tape one side like this to the back of the head of your dragon, like that. Make sure you press down. And we're gonna do the same thing with our other chopstick. And we're gonna do it on the end of your dragon. We're gonna leave 1, 2, 3 links hanging down. And then we're gonna glue it on the inside of one of the links, like that. And now you have your completed paper chain dragon. Thank you for joining Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. Make sure to tag us on any picture that you take using the hashtag #ILoveHPL. See you next time. Bye.